Hello, today I'm going to show you how to select the quantity of coffee in a cup with your DeLonghi Magnifica coffee making machine. This awesome device has on the left side adjustment lever, and there are the thing where are you going to select the quantity of the coffee which is getting into your cup. So at the front side you can see three cups. The left cup is espresso cup. The middle cup is a standard coffee cup. And the right side cup is for cappuccino, for example. And I am now showing you which adjusting thing you have to do on the knob at the left side of your DeLonghi machine. Because if you're rotating this knob to the left side, that means it is for the tiniest thing of cup. If you go in the middle of, that means in the center, you have a standard cup. And if you're going to the right side, you have the largest setting. That means you have a cappuccino cup or I think another cup, a big cup, of course. So that means adjust the coffee quantity selection knob on the left side to set the required quantity. This is the smallest thing. That means you have to go to the left side with the knob. Turning it clockwise, increase the amount to or of coffee obtained. The first time you use the appliance, you will need to make a number of coffees to identify the correct knob position through trial and error. That means you need a little bit of experience about this. What size of cup do you have in your country or in your kitchen? That means you have to check some coffees until you reach the level of the right adjustment of the quantity. Easy going. Only rotating the knob until you reach the right level of one of these cups. Let's try it. Let's have an example with the largest cup here in this coffee area. This is a cappuccino cup. That means if you are going to make a cappuccino, you do not like to have the coffee level until the edges, because you are going to make a little bit of fresh milk on top. That means you can go and rotate the knob at the 8 or until 9 point rotation from the left side to the right side. That means it is a 80% rotation of the knob on the left side, and you can see now it is the tiniest thing what I'm going to show you, and now we are rotating to the right side for the largest. That means for espresso you will take the adjustment knob to option 2. That means it is 2 times at the left side. And if you're going to make a cappuccino, the 8 point from the left side, that is a cappuccino. The full size will make your cappuccino cup nearly full, as shown now. That is the largest thing to get coffee out of it. So that it is. On the right side cup, you can see the highest level of coffee in the cup. And on the left side, you can see this is the smallest coffee delivery is on the left side, as shown. Here we are. The left side is for espresso style. The right side is for fresh cappuccino or a large cup of coffee. Fresh and delicious. You can adjust it by yourself. Easy going. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me positive feedback, and see you next time again. Soon.